Why do millions of travelers flock to Dubai each year? It's not just the sun, sand, and shopping, it's an adventure in every corner. Welcome to Dubai, where the superlatives reign supreme. First stop, the Burj Khalifa. This isn't just any building, it's the tallest in the world. Imagine looking down from the sky, feeling like a bird or maybe a superhero, ready for a shopper's paradise. The Dubai Mall isn't just big, it's epic. Over 1,000 stores, an Olympic-sized ice rink, and even an underwater zoo. You heard that right, sharks while you shop. Next, let's get dazzled by the Dubai Fountain. Picture this, water dancing to the rhythm of lights and music, right outside the world's greatest mall. And if you think that's cool, wait till you hit Palm Jumeirah. It's not every day you get to chill on a man-made island shaped like a palm tree. Craving some thrills, Dubai Marina offers yacht-filled waters and a skyline that could give Manhattan a run for its money. Or maybe relax at Jumeirah Beach, with its crystal blue waters begging for a dip. For a touch of history, glide across Dubai Creek in a traditional arbor. Its old-world charm meets modern luxury. And for the wild at heart, a desert safari awaits. Dune bashing, camel rides, and an Arabian night under the stars. Don't just travel to Dubai, where every day is a new discovery. Ready to pack your bags yet?